Alright guys, time to redo the seat for my 1983 Honda Big Red. Got a new fiberglass seat pan, and then I got these two seats from the two Big Reds I picked up a few months ago. So as you can see, they're pretty rough shape. This one's really rusted and this one's not much better. All these tabs that hold the cover on are gone, or most of them anyway. So I got the new seat cover here, and I got this 1/2-inch polyester fill. This will be used for covering the top because neither of these foam pads are in really good shape, so I'm gonna have to kind of piece these together and make a good one. I got some spray adhesive for that, and then got some contact cement for the cover because that's how the instructions say to adhere this to the cover or to the seat pan. And then I got some trim lock to go around the edge when the cover is on. Okay, so first thing, let's get this cover off. We'll get this foam off because we got to transfer these two rubber pieces and this latch over to the new fiberglass pan. Alright, so this old latch just got some weld nuts here, and then looks like these rubber pieces, they just kind of push through. So I'll have to see if we can get those out. Alright, so this is what the foam looks like. This one's in pretty tough shape. It's got a big crater missing here. This is all gone. So this one I think I'm gonna go with. Can use some foam from this one and kind of fill this in and cut it down. And then this void here, I'll just cut a piece out of right here and we'll use the spray adhesive to fill that in. But before we get that far, let's go ahead and get that latch off of this one and these two rubber pieces, and we'll try to fit that onto this new pan. Okay, so this pan is a little bit thicker than the original metal one, so we just put these in some hot water and it kind of softened it up. Then I use this screwdriver to just kind of dig in there and get it over. Just like that. Alright, got the latch on. And I did not need to cut these slots right here for that tab because looks like they just sit on there like that. So that's okay. But yeah, if you put those tabs in there, this sits way up so that it's not going to work. I also put a washer, this little spacer right there on each side. So now I just went and tested it, locks on there real nice. So now we can move on to getting the foam taken care of. Just clean this up a little bit. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this. So I'll go ahead and use some spray adhesive and get this in there. Alright, we got this piece ready to go on. It's not perfect, but this filler piece will cover imperfections. So I'll go ahead and spray some adhesive on here. Alright, got this polyester fiber fill over the cover, over the foam. Put some spray adhesive down and wrapped it over and just kind of went around it. We'll let this dry for a bit and then we'll cut around the outside. Okay, now we'll use some contact cement and we'll put some on the pan and a little bit on the foam. We'll let that set up about 15 minutes and then we'll put the two together. Alright, got the cover fitted over and we got contact cement on this one side, and it's on both the pan and the cover. We'll let this sit for about 20 minutes and then we'll see how good it goes together. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and try to put this together, see if it works. Okay, I did not expect it to go this good. It's holding really good. Alright. So now I'll go ahead and get the rest of this done. Alright, it's been another 20 minutes to get the rest of this on. Okay, so that actually worked out pretty good. I'm gonna have to put a little bit right here where it overlaps. And then I think we'll put some on this front edge here. But so far it's looking pretty good. A little bit of wrinkles from shipping, but that'll come out with time, like sit it in the sun for a little bit. And then from the back, looks pretty even. Yeah, I like it. So this, when we bring this front, this will suck that in a little bit. But yeah, looks good. And you can't really see where I made those repairs. It's on this side. It's pretty well hidden. So yeah, so I'll put it on the front, a little bit on that overlap, and then tomorrow we will see what this looks like on the machine. All right, so the seat's done. I did end up putting this edge trim on the back, and only on the back, because this is the only spot where this would work. So like right here, it's just too thick, and there's no way that would have gone over it and had it look good. Like right here, it's way too thick. So I think that turned out pretty nice on the back. And then got the front glued here too. And then it fits on there pretty nice. Clips in there good, doesn't pull up at all, and then it releases nice. You can hear it click in. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. And actually when the seat's on, you can't even see that edge molding. The Honda's pretty centered. There's some wrinkling in it, but you know what? You put this out in the sun on a warm day, this will probably just flatten right out. But it doesn't bother me, it's all right. Along the tank it fits nice. So yeah, I mean, it took some time, but what else are you gonna do? The metal seat pans are all rotten, so this is kind of the only alternative. All right, thanks for watching.